morning. I'm Mark Haynes with DECO Sealers. Today we want to go over a project where there's a damp basement, existing basement that needed to be dug out, and what we want to do is share with you, and hopefully you can do the same thing for your application as well. So in a damp basement, to do it right, the problem's on the outside wall. All your older homes are block walls. They didn't have foundation coating protection. They didn't have drain systems installed back in the early 90s, 80s and earlier. So it's a big block sponge that's soaking in water. So if you've got dampness problems and you want to get it done correctly, you've got to dig the wall out, either by an excavator or hand digging it out, depending on how big the project is. Getting the wall clean. We recommend scraping all the dirt off the wall, wire brushing. If you can power wash it off, great. You just got to be aware that if you're power washing it, that water's got to go somewhere. We're here in December. We're very lucky. It's in the 50s today. So we've got great temperatures, sunny. So the builder here, he's scraped all the dirt off. The walls are all repaired with mortar. He filled in all the cracks. Everything's in good condition. Everything's dry. And now what he's doing is he's rolling on our adhesive primer called DECO TAC. The TAC goes on milky white, and it will turn clear in about a half an hour to 45 minutes. You just need one coat. You're going to get about 200 square foot per gallon. So that's what John's doing now. And John, how do you, so far it's turning clear within 10 minutes already, right?
It's soaking in.
Yeah, so John just started 10 minutes ago and it's already turning clear already. So he's gonna do this entire wall, go around the other corner, and once this is completely, the tack goes from milky white to clear, then at that point John's gonna roll on the first coat of our waterproofing product. This is our DECO Seal. It comes in gray or beige, and he's going to roll the first coat of the waterproofing over the tack. We recommend a 3/4 inch nap roller, a little thicker nap roller. This product, you're going to get about 300 to 325 square foot per bucket. That includes the 2 coats that you're going to put on. So he'll roll one coat of the seal on, let it dry, do a hand test. If it's dry, roll the second coat on, let that dry, and then at that point, then John will install the drain system, and then stone, fabric, and backfill, and he'll be ready to go. That's the way to do it. It's a little time consuming, especially with getting all the grade off of the wall, but to do it right, these are the steps you need to do. It's all water-based, it's safe to use, no respirator, it's safe to apply. Again, my name's Mark Haynes, owner of DECO Sealers. If you have any questions, call us at 717-484-6131 or go to our website at decosealers.com. Hope to earn your business. Thank you.